Why am I so enthused? Well, I'll tell you. It's that D9. Man, what a tractor. Now, whether the D9 is busy stockpiling materials or pioneering an access road or push-loading scrapers up in the cut, believe me, the D9 can get the really big jobs done faster, better, and cheaper than ever before.
Caterpillar has made more large dozers than anyone else in the world, and more than half of them have been Cat D9 dozers.
I've never seen any other machine do as much work so fast and so well.
While the D9 has been around a long time, it just keeps getting better. Since the first D9 in 1955, more than 40,000 new D9s have been delivered to job sites around the world.
The D9 is a machine that sets new production records at lower unit cost on practically every job it tackles.
Wherever important work is being done and reliability matters, a Cat D9 dozer is probably there. Caterpillar has designed and engineered the new D9 with your requirements in mind, like factory-ready technologies for safety, productivity, and automation, emission options for regulatory compliance, and blade options for any application. The new D9 is all Cat. Every system, component, and part, they all work well together. They're easily maintained, and they last a long time, enough for multiple rebuilds and lifetimes.
That's why I'm so enthused about this D9 tractor, the best in the business.
The Cat D9, built smarter to work harder.
Oh, say, I almost forgot. Buy a D9.